welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and comment.
Hai guys, minal aizin wal faizin. Happy Eid Mubarak anyway. And I hope that you and me and us will meet again on the next Ramadan. Amin. Well, in this video, as I said before, that I will make tutorial to how to make moringa leaf powder. Okay, but before we continue, make sure that you already watched my last video. But if you are not, I give you the link on the description below. And I want to talk too much here, so let's check this out. Moringa Oliefera, it's been called the miracle tree, and in Indonesia it's called kelor. According to a US manufacturer of moringa health food supplements, gram for gram moringa leaf contain twice the protein of yogurt, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 3 times the potassium of bananas, 4 times the calcium of milk, and 7 times the vitamin C of orange. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, it is reported to cure as many as 300 diseases, including tumor and diabetes. It can be used directly as a soap or as a powder. And to make the powder is very easy. The first thing you have to do is take a bunch of the old leaf and wash it until clean and separate the leaf from the branch and put on the blaze and let it dry for about 3 or 4 days. It depends on the thickness, and don't ever to dry under the sun directly because it can minimize the nutrition of it. And after it dry, prepare the blender and blend it until it becomes a powder. And after it's become a powder, you can directly use it as a mask or a tea. It's easy, right? Happy trying! Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that this is gonna be useful for you, and see you on the next video. Bye!